So friends, today's practical of equity market is that how selling pressure destroys any company's market share. Yes friend, selling pressure means that more and more investors are willing to sell and very few investors are willing to buy. And even if they are buying at a very dirt cheap price, very low price. So I am giving you an example of a company to demonstrate how selling pressure can destroy any company's share price. The name of the company is Diwan Housing Finance Corporation Limited. Yes friends, it's a very old screenshot which I am showing you, but to know the concept, it is still very relevant. You can see in one day share price fell by 40%. 40%. This is the beauty, or this is a mystery of equity market. In one day your wealth can be destroyed by 40%. Imagine any other investment avenues where you get such a depreciation in asset price. So what happened? Why it fell so much? So for this I have to give you some details regarding this company. This company had issued some debentures, commercial papers, and have taken some loan from the market. And it was very impossible for this company to pay back their interest amount. So there was some default news going on in the market for this company. So definitely if a company will default in any of its obligation, its share price will definitely decrease. This is the new concept which you are getting right now. Default news are not taken by market positively, they are taken by market in a very negative manner, and you can see the share price, it fell 40% in one day. Home loans. You can see the share price chart. Sir, what is the position? Later on, DHFL was delisted from the stock market. It was removed from the stock market. Since there were some compliance problem with this company, so this company was delisted from the stock market. Shah Rukh Khan used to advertise for this company. Let's see one advertisement of this company so that you can know that how big this company was, and now this company is fighting for its survival. Fine.
Everyone has a summit to conquer, but the road is not always easy. For 27 years, we have found ways to give everyone an equal opportunity to participate, because a fair chance is everyone's birthright. When we say we change rules to change lives, we mean it. DHFL, changing rules, changing lives.
Hope you liked the video. A bond sale that eroded rupees 8,000 crore from DHFL market value in a day. Market value concept we have already taken up in our class. Bond sale. What is bond? Definitely bond will be covered in bond valuation chapter, where we used to cover this topic in detail. You can see the chart. Massive selling in housing finance stock. Diwan Housing crashes 60%. DHFL, India Bulls Housing Finance blame stock crash on rumors. So these companies are blaming that this is due to rumor it happened. We are very good, our balance sheet is very good, we are not a bad company, we are not a company who is not complying with all the regulations, we are a good company, we are not defaulting. This is a rumor which is going in the market, and the rumor is to be blamed for the market crash. Equity crashed 40% in a day. They have to clarify, the managers, the board of directors had to clarify to the media, to the public, that it is just because of rumor. But friends, what is true and what is not true is to be seen, but the reality is that this company is delisted from the stock market due to many compliance lapses. Shares of housing finance firms crashed, DHFL tanks 60%. Fine, sir. Diwan Housing Finance Corporation announcement under Regulation 30, LODR. LODR, investor presentation, we will be studying in FSCM elective paper. This regulation we will study in our elective paper, LODR. DHFL shares crash 42% on bond default concern. Default means they are not able to pay their loans and interest. DHFL post net loss of 13,000 crore as expenses zoom 63%. 13,000 crore loss. Auditors report fresh 6,000 crore fraud in DHFL. So you are getting the point that it is not just rumor. There is something which is not correct with this company. Fine, sir. NSE, BSE suspend trading in DHFL shares from Monday. So friends, I am hoping you all to become a finance manager. And whenever you will become a finance manager, a CFO of the company, definitely you must know all the case studies so that you can give your company your best performance and you can avoid all the mistakes which these companies have done in the past, so that your company be safe from all this negativity and from all these problems. Fine. So when you will search Diwan Housing Finance Corporation, so you will not find its share price right now, because stocks are not traded in NSE. Stocks not traded in NSE. SEBI regulations also applying here. So you can clearly see stock not traded in NSE. Fine, sir. So let's see the balance sheet of this company, whether this company can be called a growth company or a declining company. So the balance sheet is in front of you. So you can see the balance sheet of DHFL. The reserve and surplus is 58,000 negative. Reserve is 58,000 negative. Profit and loss account is 1 lakh million. These are figures in million. Rupees in million you can see in heading. Rupees in million, you can also convert it in crores also. So let's take crore figure only. So it is 12,000 crore approximately is the profit and loss account loss. Let's see how much loan this company had taken. This company had taken 75,000 crore loan. 75,000 crore loan this company had taken. Approximately, these all figures are approximate, and these are old screenshots which I am showing you. So you can see this company is definitely is not looking good. The balance sheet position is not looking good. You can take your own decision. You can also see the annual reports which they have posted in their website. Since you want to enter into finance career, you need to refer all these statements as and when you get time. Even I used to say to my students that after exams, when you are free for 2 to 3 months, You should do all this research so that you can upgrade yourself while you are giving interview. Definitely your confidence level and your selection chances get increased to a great extent. Fine, sir. So friends, I have covered almost everything related to this company, and also I have demonstrated that how a selling pressure can destroy market value of the company. Also, I have demonstrated an example of a bad company. In previous class, I have demonstrated example of a good company. Reliance Industries balance sheet I have shown you, and today I have shown you a company's balance sheet where shareholders fund is in negative. Can you imagine? Shareholders fund we have covered in our class, and shareholder fund is coming in negative. So I request you to keep your research work on whenever you get time. Till the time you become a champion, I will be with you. I will help you to explore this line in a more better manner. And my target is 100% marks and target crore plus salary in finance. Thank you so much. And do subscribe this channel because we are going to post so many informative videos in this channel. And do like this video and share it. Thank you so much.